Good afternoon, Philippines, and good afternoon to you, all the event organizer and committees of the National Youth Parliament. By the way, my name is April Kin Libago, 25 years old, from the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro City, and from the province of Misamis Oriental. And I am the current Federation President of Pag-asa Youth Association of the Philippines, EYAP, representing the out-of-school youth here in Cagayan de Oro City, and under the supervision of the Department of City Social Welfare and Development, or CSWD. And my stand against this SK reform or SK abolish is I am strongly present myself to a SK reform because, as I said, if you will abolish the youth or the SK, you will abolish also the hopes of our nation, the only treasure our nation can have, because the youth is one of the most talented, the most resourceful member of our society. Based on my experience as a youth leader in our barangay or in our city, I experienced hardship in dealing with the SK chairman or the SK kagawad because they don't have maturity in their own fields. And as I said, that in that age 15 to 18 years old, they are not the relevant of what they are doing because they are just only undergo with the supervision of their parents. And unless if they are in 20s or 20 to 30 years old, they are already responsible and well matured enough to handle such hard duties or hard tasks in serving their constituent youth in their specific localities. So, by the way, I myself, it is an honor for me as a youth to participate in this coming National Youth Parliament. So, to all the organizers and committees of the NYP, I hope that you will acknowledge my application as well as this video. So I hope that we will see each other again this coming May. So by the way, my name is April Kin Libago from the city of Golden Friendship. Thank you very much and God bless Philippines.